In today's video, we will take out the front bumper of 2015 Hyundai Sonata. The very first step is we lift up the car because this will help us to make some space and take out the necessary clips and bolts. We then start the takeout process by taking out clips and bolts from the bottom, from right side and then left side, and then finally from the top. So let's jump into this. Underneath the car, I noticed there are some straightforward 10mm screws. You would see one here, one there, one in the middle, and the others followed all the way till the end, and we need to take out these 10mm screws. Now in my case, you would notice I'm using an impact gun with 10mm nutsetter, but if you don't have an impact gun, you can just use a 10mm wrench. Once the underneath part is done, now we are jumping on to the sides. I will be turning the tire to make space in order to take out these 3 clips. They do look like a screw, but actually they are screw type clips. Once the clips are taken out, we slightly pull the fender liner, and there you would see a 10mm screw that we need to take out. Once the screw is taken out, now we slightly pull the edge of the bumper. Now unfortunately the other side had an accident, so I would not be able to demonstrate this side, but the steps are exactly the same as of the side we just took out right now. So just replicate the same process on the other side. Assuming both sides are taken out, now we jump onto the top. There we see clips similar to the ones we took out from the sides, and I'll just be taking them out one by one. Once all the clips are taken out, now I would slightly pull the bumper from top to see and check if it's losing its grip, and seems like it's all good to be pulled out. Now we slightly pull the complete bumper. We noticed this car has a fog light, so we had to take out the plug for that, and this process is actually optional depending on the features of the front bumper you're taking out. That was it. We ended up taking out the front bumper completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It will help motivate us making more DIY videos. Here's the section where you can watch our other DIY videos. Feel free to take a look at them, and we will catch you in the next video.